Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your network info and turning the Ps4 on. This saves time. Once done, go to Settings, then Network, and choose Set up Internet Connection. Select Use Wi-Fi or use a LAN cable depending on your setup. Wi-Fi is easiest for most rooms. You choose your SSID and enter the password with the dual shock controller. Make sure to pick the correct frequency, 2. 4 GHz reaches farther. 5 GHz is faster, so you get a reliable connection for downloads and streaming. Once connected to the SSID, you'll confirm security settings. Choose WPA2PSK when prompted, because it balances security and compatibility. If you rely on specific DNS servers or need a static IP for port forwarding, select Manual and type in the IP, subnet mask, gateway, and DNS values. This requires precise numbers from your router or ISP. After entering details, run Test Internet Connection to check IP assignment, NAT type, and throughput. If speeds look low, try switching bands or moving the console closer to the router. Finish by signing into PlayStation Network and confirming online services work, downloads, multiplayer, and store access. If voice chat or broadcasting acts up, make sure your NAT type is open and check the quick menu settings for input devices and microphone levels. If the connection fails, reboot the router and Ps4, then try auto setup again. As a key troubleshooting tip, switch DNS to a public server like 8.8.8.8 and retest. This often resolves name lookup and store access issues without changing hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.